There's a fine line between overthinking and constructive introspection. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. People who are new to this channel, welcome you all. I'm Tanushree and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty and much more. People who overthink have a tendency of overthinking every situation, every single thing. I am an overthinker, and over these years I have tried different techniques to channelize my thoughts. I know it's easier said than done. I found three techniques or methods which are immensely useful, and it worked wonders for me because it allowed me to think through the problems, to lower down my overthinking a bit, and to find solutions to the problem to some extent as well. So without much delay, let's get started. Okay, so the first point is being aware, and by this I mean you should be aware of what you are thinking. So for example, if you are thinking about a situation or anything and you started with a point and then you lost your thoughts, so you have to have a conscious control on what you are thinking. I mean, if you're thinking about the problem, think about it, think about all the possibilities, think about anything you want to about that problem, but has to be related to the problem. And then you can ask me, how can you be aware? So thing which you can do is obviously to meditate. So if you feel that you need to be calm, you need to have control on your thoughts, practice meditation. I started doing meditation some 2 years back. Then I used to do regularly. Once I figured out that I can have a conscious control over my thoughts, I stopped it, and there I went wrong, because once I lost that habit, I was again back on that same track. So if you start anything, please make sure that you continue it, and it will help you a lot to channelize your thoughts. Okay, so coming to the second point, this point is very close to me as well, and this is something I mentioned in my previous video as well. I have been doing it for a while now. That is to write down your thoughts or journaling. So writing down your thoughts or what you are thinking can actually give you an idea whether you are focusing on the problem or you are focusing on the solution. So if you are, for example, if you are thinking about something and you're thinking continuously in a loop, so just write it down what you are thinking and then segregate your thoughts. Like, is it something worth it? Is it something like upon thinking you can get solutions to? So just write down your thoughts, channelize it in any category possible, in whichever category you want to. And once you start this habit of writing down your thoughts, you'll actually figure out that most of the problems are your own response to a certain situation, and that situation doesn't demand that sort of a response. So if once you figure out that and you have made peace with it, I guess it will move away from that thoughts. And if something is bothering you or nagging you a lot, just detach yourself for a bit from that thought and introspect. Like, is this something which needs my energy? Is it something worth it? If the answer is no, I know it's easier said than done. Like, stop, don't think about it. But yes, you need to follow that. You, for the sake of yourself, you need to actually stop thinking about it. So coming to my last and final point is, do what you like, and start doing something which you like. I mean, you want to paint, if that gives you a satisfaction or mental peace, do that. If you want to cook, do that. If you want to read books, if you want to make videos, do blogging, do workout, yoga, whatever. If you want to talk to a friend, go talk to them. Just do things which, like, keep your mind off that thought and channelize your energy into something fruitful which you love, which you like doing, and which gives you a inner satisfaction. So these are the few things which I do to control this mind, which thinks a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are an overthinker like me, and if you have found out some other techniques to control your mind, please mention them in the comment section below. I would love to read them. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it all. So love you all. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.